My name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. On this video, we're going to make witch broomstick snacks. These are the ingredients for the witch's broomstick. We have pretzel sticks, Pillsbury dough, spring onions, or you can use chives, and your favorite dip. Spread the Pillsbury dough on the tray. To make the skirt, separate the triangular shape of the Pillsbury dough. Use each triangular shape per broomstick. Cut the white part of the dough into strips about 2 inches high. Cut the narrow top of the dough. Wrap the dough around the base of the pretzel stick and arrange the lower part into a broom shape. Cut the spring onion into thin strips and wrap it around the base of the broomstick. You can also use chives. Cut the excess part of the spring onions. Arrange the dough into broom shape before baking. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Line the tray with parchment paper. Arrange the dough into broomstick shape before baking. Bake them for about 8 minutes or until the dough are golden brown. While waiting for your dough to bake, prepare your favorite dip. Broomsticks are ready. Witch's broomsticks. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please remember to subscribe to my channel Marilet's World and check out my playlist for other Halloween themed videos. I'll see you on the next one. Happy Halloween!